Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be making some Ceviche de Camaron, shrimp ceviche. For all you returning YouTube family, thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that way you can see future videos and hit the bell, that way you can get all notifications. I live in Southern California and I'm very close to Baja California, which is a part of Mexico. It's one of the states and the capital for that state is Mexicali. I live 30 minutes away from Mexicali. And when I go over there, I like to go to the restaurants out there. The Mariscos, I love Sammy's Mariscos. Good stuff right there. So I'm gonna be showing you today how to do Marisco style Ceviche de Camaron. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. We're gonna start off with 2 pounds of shrimp. You want them peeled, divined, and the tail off. And you wanna go ahead and rinse your shrimp because you wanna get all that nasty stuff out of the bag off of them. We're gonna go ahead and cut our shrimp into small little portions. You want just small little pieces because that's gonna make it easier for us to cook it in our lemon and lime bath. You can leave it whole, it's just a personal preference right there. I like them small so that way I can incorporate it evenly throughout the other ingredients. And once you get everything chopped up, just go ahead and put it in the fridge. You wanna keep the shrimp cold. Now we're gonna be juicing up 2 lemons and 5 limes. Now this is the important part right here because that's what's gonna cook our shrimp. I actually bought this handy little juicer just for this video. And it did okay on the lemons, but once I got to the limes, it just didn't work out too well. But yeah, you just wanna juice all your limes and your lemon, and that's gonna be the solution that we're gonna use to cook our shrimp. So since that juicer didn't work for the limes, I just went old school and used my handy lime squeezer that I got from Mexico. And that just worked a lot better. If you have a lime squeezer, just use that. The juicer did pretty good on the lemons, but as you can see, this is made in Mexico. Once you have your lemons and lime squeezed, you wanna go ahead and dump those juices right into your shrimp. This is what's gonna cook our shrimp. The acid in that juice is going to get the shrimp cooked. It takes about 30 minutes, so make sure that you mix it well and you want the juices at least all over the shrimp. I like to let it sit for an hour. If you have time to let it sit a little bit longer, it actually gives it better flavor because the lemon really gets into the shrimp. Now, if you want to do this quick, you can use cooked shrimp and you just not worry about the acid cooking. You can actually cut this down to about 1 or 2 lemons and limes, and just go ahead and cover it. And then you want to put that in the fridge. So while we're waiting for our shrimp to cook, we need to chop up 2 cucumbers. I like a lot of cucumber in my ceviche. Then we're also gonna need 1/2 of a red onion and 2 Roma tomatoes and about a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. After an hour, this is what your shrimp's gonna look like. It's gonna be nice and firm and it's gonna be a slight pink. This is super easy to do. The rest that we're gonna be doing for this recipe is basically mix everything together and we're just gonna season our ceviche. So just get everything and put it in a bowl, and you want to go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then to finish it off, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now all you have to do is mix everything together. Your ceviche is done. However you want to serve this, you could put it on a tostada. You can eat it in a bowl with some chips or crackers. However you do it, make sure you don't forget a good hot sauce, a Mexican hot sauce, and some fresh avocados. This is hands down one of my favorite recipes to eat, and I hope you enjoy it. You gotta try this recipe. Hands down, it's really, really delicious. If you're craving seafood and you want something fresh, this is it. Now for the hot sauces, you get your favorite hot sauces. I like Chile Amor, Valentin. There's one that I really like with seafood, especially when I go to Mexico. It's called Mexico Lindo, Salsa Siete Mares. That's probably one of my favorite hot sauces to use on shrimp ceviche or cocktail. But you don't have to use it on a tostada. You can eat it with some saltine crackers or tortilla chips. However you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But it's really delicious and I hope you try it out. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you see future videos just like this and many more. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. Oh yeah, I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.